exposing the secret profit hiding in your house. No rare plants, no fancy greenhouses, just everyday greenery turning into cash. Here's how you can start making money, right from home. Most people walk past their houseplants and never realize they're sitting on a pile of easy money. No rare seeds, no expensive gear, just simple, fast-growing plants. Totally pet-safe and super easy to sell. Let's kick it off with spider plant. Think of this as your automatic inventory machine. One plant makes a bunch of babies. Each costs less than $1 to grow and sells for $5 to $10. They're speedy, popular, and perfect for newbies. Next up, tradescantia. These pop because of their wild colors, purple, pink, or silver. Snip a piece, root it in water, and in a month you've got something people want to buy. Quick flips, low cost. Number 3, peperomia. Small, cute, and valuable. They take up almost no space, so buyers usually grab a few. Mix up the colors and textures and bam, now you're selling collections. 4th, Boston fern. Buy it small, give it a few months, and you can sell it for triple the price. Same plant, way more value. And last, hoya. Even tiny cuttings are worth $10 to $20. They grow slow, so collectors pay for your patience. You don't need rare plants, you just need the right ones. Start small, learn the cycle, and watch your plant profits grow. Try it, you'll be surprised.